Alt-R. This meeting is being recorded. Desmos practice.
Now, remember, you've already gone from a place that where you have made your boats, so you've got to put this in the correct sequence. And I've just marked everything, and of course, I just thought, oh, I forgot to show you how to do your boats. So insert F7. Let's just quickly mark something and move it.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Left parenthesis -3
Okay,
6.
I'm going to
Right.
pretend that the boat was right underneath -3 6. I'm just going to hit
Enter.
and
Enter
again. I'm going to mark that. And then I'm going to go get a boat. So insert F7.
Shift F7.
Whoops, Shift F7, wrong one.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Left A. An image of a boat on the grid. Left parent without axis. Right parent. The boat is 2 units tall. Left parent top dash to dash bottom. Right parent. 2 of 10.
Actually tells you. So we're just going to pretend that one goes underneath these -3 6.
Enter.
Enter.
Enter. An image of a boat on the J. 2 cards group list with 2 items. An image of a boat on the grid. Left parent without axis. Right parent. The boat is 2.
Immediately moves it underneath. So sorry, I forgot to put that in the first part of the video. So you need to mark it. You need to remember where your grids were. And then, of course, I placed that right under there. You're going to hit M to mark that boat and then continue with your sequence of XY numbers. Okay, that's how you do that one.
Zoom.